Hi, this is Kelly with the Illinois Math and Science Academy's Center for Teaching and Learning. I'm going to show you today how you can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is especially helpful for teachers who are teaching students remotely. So Screencast-O-Matic is an easy-to-use screen recorder program that allows you to record what's on your screen as well as records your voice. Again, this is really helpful if you're teaching lessons. An easy example I'll be showing you today involves PowerPoint, where you can record a PowerPoint as well as talk through the lesson, and this software will record your voice. It is totally free, up to 15 minutes. If you want to make longer videos, I would recommend that you make a video of various parts, such as part 1, part 2, and so on. So once you know what Screencast-O-Matic is, you can go there and you can sign up. It's free. So my email is kremijan@imsa.edu. So I'm going to use that email, and I'm not going to click Get Updates unless, of course, you want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and create account. So next you'll have to verify your email address. If after you go to your email to get a confirmation from Screencast-O-Matic, if you receive, after clicking the link, if you receive this message for whatever reason, try copying the link that you were sent from Screencast-O-Matic and paste that link into a different search engine. For some reason, that problem came up with me, but when using Microsoft Edge, there was no problem. And I'm going to enter in my first name, my last name, and then whatever password that you want. I'm not going to tell you, of course, my password here, but you're going to create your own password as well and confirm your password. After you enter in your password and confirm your password, as well as click Agree to Terms of the Service, you can then create your account with Screencast-O-Matic. Once you know what Screencast-O-Matic is and you've set up your account, you're now ready to start making a video. We're going to start this by clicking Start Recording for free. Now, before we do this, I want to also make sure you know that this is free for videos up to 15 minutes. Anything more than 15 minutes would cost. So what I recommend that you do is a 15-minute video for part 1, and then if you need more time, a part 2, and so on. So let's go ahead and start recording for free. After clicking that, we're taken to Screen Recorder, and we're going to click Launch Free Recorder. Now, as soon as we launch the free recorder, it's going to show us a dashed rectangle. Anything inside that dashed rectangle is what is going to be recorded. Now, we will record our screen. It will also record our voice. So anything we say is being recorded. Now, you want to pull up, if you have a handout that's a Word document, or if you have a PowerPoint, you're going to open up that document. So I'm going to open up a PowerPoint presentation that I have, and you'll notice that the dashed rectangle is not framing my entire PowerPoint slide. So to make that rectangle change size, I'm going to first change its location, and I'm going to do that by hovering over one of the sides of the rectangle. When I hover over one of the sides of the rectangle, it's going to show me this symbol here, and I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag it to center my rectangle. You'll notice that that moved, but it's still not actually framing my entire slide. So I'm going to hover at one of the corners of this rectangle, and when I do that, it's going to give me a symbol that looks like this, and I can just click and drag. I can do this at each corner of my rectangle if I desire. When I do that, it's now going to frame my entire PowerPoint slide. And so I could now start recording, and everything that stays within that rectangle is what is going to be videoed or what's going to be recorded as a video. In addition, I can talk over my PowerPoint presentation as if I was talking to my students. It's going to record my voice. I can also proceed from one slide to another just by hitting my down arrow to the next slide, and so on. Now, if you want to pause the recording, you're simply going to click the blue circle that contains 2 white vertical bars. That will stop recording your screen. It will also stop recording your voice. Your students will see exactly what I'm showing you now. They won't see the dashed line. They're just going to see your PowerPoint presentation as well as hear your voice talking through the lesson. When you are ready to save your video, you're simply going to click Done. Now, you might see next to record, you might see this blue strip with a time. That's how long your video was. You might also see some red vertical bars. Those are places within my video that I paused my video. So that's what that information is telling us. So we're going to click Done. We're going to click Save/Upload. And then we're going to have 3 options as to how to save this video. I recommend that we save as video file. We're going to click Publish, and it might take some time, so just be patient. It might take a minute or so, and it will tell us when it is finished publishing the video file, and we'll get a green check mark when it is completed. I recommend that you click Browse Folder next to make sure you know where this video has been housed within your computer. So here I know exactly the directory, and I know where what the name of the file is. It's been highlighted. When I'm all done now, I'm just going to click Done, and then I can move on to uploading this video to YouTube. Now, once you have your video created and you have saved the video to your computer in a particular location, you can upload your video to YouTube. So to do that, we want to go to YouTube, and we're going to click this button here, which is Create a Video. So once you click that, we're going to upload a video. And before you can actually upload a video, you need to log into YouTube. And if you have a Gmail account, that's the easiest thing to do. So I'm going to log in with my IMSA email address. Click that. And once I am logged into YouTube, I will be able to then upload videos. Upload video. And I'm going to select the file that I want to upload. So whatever file I want to upload, so my videos, so whatever video it is I want, I'm just going to click this one, open. I can give it a title. I can also describe the video so that the people that see this video online know a little bit more about this. This video is about connecting math and science to aviation. It's also going to give me the link that I'll be able to share with people regarding the location of this video. Yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids, but I'm a teacher. I'm sharing this with my students. It's definitely made for kids. And we want to make our video public. I want whoever wants to see it, make it available to everyone. I'm going to publish it. I can close. And now what I've created is my first video of my YouTube channel. So this is public. If you click the what looks like a pencil, those are the details of your video, and you'll be able to simply copy the video link that you can share with your students. You simply, if you have a Google image, if you click that, that will show you your channel. You can switch accounts. You can view what your channel is, and if this is the first time you've ever posted a video to YouTube, then this would be your first video for your YouTube channel. You can also, now that you have the link, you can also test what your students would see by clicking on the link that you've created. Now, since this is the video that I created, I can also edit my video. And when I'm all done, I can exit or sign out of my account. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a shot. Try to make a video and try uploading it. You'll find that the students will find this very helpful. Especially while they're unable to attend school. Your lessons will be able to be then saved. You can use those lessons also potentially in the future, which is helpful for students who are absent when you do the same lesson in class. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email address will be in the description below the video.